Last page of notes for today. Use triangles ABC and ABC prime for 1 through 5. For each pair of corresponding vertices, find the ratio of the x-coordinates and the ratio of the y-coordinates. Okay, so on this one, the dilation's already been done. So they're basically going to be asking us to find the scale factor of a dilation that's done. On the other ones, we were able to use side lengths because they were easy to count. Because they were like straight up and down or straight, flat, like side to side, left to right. Well, this one, I cannot like really, some of y'all would try to count like how far it is from A to B. But you kind of be guessing it because it's on a slant, so it's hard to count like perfect units. So here's what you must do. If it's slanted like this, don't count the side lengths. We're going to use the coordinates. Okay, so ratio of x coordinates. Gosh, do they want me to do all of them? Okay, I've got to do new, well, you can't see that. New over old. So I'm going to look at the A, yeah, let's just look at A. Okay, so for the x-coordinate, here's my x-axis, it goes this way. They've labeled the y, oh, that one just got cut off. Okay, I'm getting distracted. On the original A, the x-coordinate, let's see, it goes to the left, 1, 2. So I know this is a -2. On the new A, it goes back -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so I'm not going to go up and grab the Y. I know that's weird right now, but this one's only asking about the X coordinates, okay? So the new A over the old A, if I'm only looking at the X, is -4, and the old A was at a -2. Of course, I want to reduce it, and that's 2. Okay, now they want me to look at the Y coordinates. Okay, so again, I'm going to set up, and I'm going to run out of room. New over old. I'm going to do A prime over A. But now I'm looking at the Y. Okay. So the Y is how much you go up or down. So to get to the original A, I had to go up 1, 2. To get to the new A, I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So they want me to write out those coordinates. It was 4 over 2. Which is still going to be 2. Okay, they wanted me to do both the X and the Y coordinates just to show you it doesn't matter if you're going to use the X or you're going to use the Y because they're both going to reduce down to the same answer. Okay, so you just got to choose. Do I want to use the X or the Y? And it doesn't matter which point you use either. It would have gotten the same answer for B and C. Okay, number 2. It says, I know that triangle ABC prime is a dilation of triangle ABC because the ratios of the corresponding x-coordinates are 2 and the ratios of the corresponding y-coordinates are 2. The ratios of the lengths of the corresponding sides of triangles ABC prime and triangle ABC equals. Okay, so we couldn't count the side lengths. So we set up ratios of the coordinates. So if the coordinates were all multiplied by a scale factor of 2 to create that enlargement, the same thing happened to the sides. So I can't count the sides, but since I did this, I know it's 2. The corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle ABC prime are congruent. I spelled it right. Okay, so you had to know the angles are going to stay the same size. Okay, the scale factor of the dilation is 2. Okay, how can you find the scale factor of a dilation? Set up a ratio of new over old corresponding. Okay, set up a ratio of new over old corresponding sides or coordinates.